Audible has a new discounted subscription called Audible Standard. You guys can try it with the link in the description. It'll take you to this landing page where it's $8.99 per month, and that starts after a 30-day free trial. So on this page, you can scroll down a little bit. It'll show you the comparison between Audible Standard and Audible Premium Plus, and you can try either one of these for free for 30 days. But then the Audible Standard is the cheapest membership right now for Audible at $8.99 per month after that 30-day free trial. The difference is your credits don't roll over month to month. And then, so basically that means you have to pick a book each month. And then also you can only listen to those books that you've picked on Audible Standard if you still have your Audible membership. So if you cancel, those books become locked. Whereas the Premium Plus books that you get, if you cancel, those books are still there for you to listen to on your Audible account. And so there's a difference between them, but I think the Audible Standard does have a lot of value at $8.99. You're selecting from all those premium books that are worth $20+ depending on the book. So it's a really great deal if you're looking for that cheapest Audible membership. Now, Audible Standard, once you re-up your membership or join one of these other Premium Plus Audible accounts, etc., you'll get access to all those books again. It's just that when you aren't on a paying membership, you aren't able to listen to that collection. But that's Audible Standard, cheapest membership. It's a discounted option on Audible that they just released and have a 30-day free trial for. Link in the description to go check that out.